Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yaje here, excited to share with you updates on my UGU plants, that is the fluted pumpkin plants. I am super excited because I noticed some flowers, but they are male UGU flowers, male flowers. Now if you did not know, the fluted pumpkin plant is dioecious, meaning that we have the male reproductive system on one plant and then the female on a separate plant. So we have the male and the female UGU plants. Now there are ways to tell that you have the male versus the female. One way to tell that you have a male UGU plant is by looking at the flowers. Okay, that's the easiest way to tell. You cannot tell just by looking at the seeds. You may be able to tell by looking at the plants, the way that the plants are growing before they produce the flowers. But after they have produced flowers, then you can tell for sure that you have the male versus the female. So I will share with you how to identify the male flower, how to tell that what you're looking at is the male flower in this video. Also, I wanted to share with you that the male flowers come out before the female flowers. Like the male UGU plant is going to produce the flowers about a month before the female UGU plants. That is if you planted them at the same time. The fluted pumpkin that I have growing in the garden are about 16 weeks old. I want to say I noticed the flowers about 2 weeks ago. So the flowers started coming out when they were like 13 to 14 weeks old. And my garden is in zone 9A in the USA. My main reason for really spending as much time, resources with this UGU is because I am trying very hard to get it to produce the fruit. So we are in August and I have not seen the female flowers yet, just the male. Fingers crossed that I see female flowers and then I can pollinate so that it produces fruit and hopefully they mature before it gets really cold. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm probably going to need to put some kind of a greenhouse around here. I don't know, but let me show you how the flowers look like and how you can identify that you actually have male UGU plants. If you're new to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing, give the video a thumbs up and share so we can all learn how to grow some of these culturally meaningful African vegetables out here in the diaspora together. Thank you. So the flower looks like so. It's a pretty purplish lavender, I want to say, flower, and these are actually male flowers. And here's how you can tell. You look at the flower, look at the base of the flower. If there's a swelling, then it's a female flower. If there's no swelling, as in this case, this is a male UGU flower. Another way to identify that you have a male UGU plant is just by looking at the plant itself. It is usually smallish. The leaves are narrower than what would be the female. I'm hoping this is the female one. This one has no flowers yet. The male plants usually have like smaller leaves and smaller stems. So just another way to identify that you have male UGU. So this one, I think this is a female UGU plant. I think so. The stem is thicker and the leaves are bigger than the other one. Okay, so I still have my fingers crossed, hoping to get female flowers. I will keep you posted. So guys, I hope the video was useful. I will keep you posted on updates. Pray for me, pray that I get the female UGU flowers so I can cross-pollinate them, get some fruit and get some seeds for us all for the next planting season. I will catch you in my next one. Bye bye.